Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home improvement products. Today, we're diving into one of the top contenders in the world of toilet accessories, the Delta Faucet Wycliffe Slow Close Round Toilet Seat. If you're in the market for a toilet seat that combines functionality, durability, and style, stick around because this product might just be the best Delta toilet seat for you. Right off the bat, let's talk about what makes the Delta Wycliffe stand out. The first feature you'll appreciate is the slow close mechanism. This innovative design ensures that the seat closes gently and quietly, eliminating the loud slamming noise that can be annoying and disruptive. Whether you have kids or simply prefer a more serene bathroom environment, this feature is a game changer. Next, we have the non-slip seat bumpers. These strategically placed bumpers keep the seat securely in place, preventing any unwanted shifting while you're using it. It's a small detail, but one that greatly enhances your overall experience. No more adjustments needed mid-use, which is always a plus. Now, let's discuss the size. This toilet seat is designed to fit most round front bowls, making it a versatile choice for many households. The dimensions measure approximately 16.5 inches long by 14.25 inches wide, providing ample space without compromising on comfort. Moving on to installation. This seat boasts a fast and secure setup that makes it easy for anyone to install. You won't need a professional plumber. In fact, you can likely have it done in under 30 minutes. The solid construction of the seat adds weight for strength and durability, ensuring it can withstand daily use for years to come. Made from high-quality plastic, the Delta Wycliffe is both lightweight and sturdy. Its white finish not only adds a clean, classic look to your bathroom but is also easy to clean. The smooth surface helps prevent the buildup of grime and makes maintenance a breeze. So, is the Delta Faucet Wycliffe Slow Close Round Toilet Seat worth the investment? Absolutely. With its combination of a soft close feature, non-slip bumpers, easy installation, and durable materials, this toilet seat is an excellent choice for any home. It's practical, stylish, and built to last, making it one of the best options available in the market today. If you're ready to enhance your bathroom experience, the Delta Wycliffe toilet seat is available on Amazon for around $34.86, with a shipping fee depending on your location. Check it out through the link in the description below. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. We'll see you next time with more tips to make your home a better place.